Hello everyone, Amanda Brett here, watercolour artist. Today we're looking at how to load our brushes, and today I'm using a number 4 squirrel mop, so a lovely natural bristle brush. And first of all I'm going to prime my brush and wet it thoroughly to make sure that it will pick up paint, and then I'm going to use my palette to mix up some lovely phthalo blue. There it is, and you can see what a lovely clean minimalist colour I've been able to lay down on my palette. Just for this example today, I'm not mixing straight into another colour. I'm picking it up cleanly and painting beside it because I've gone to a complementary colour, so I want you to see that complement of the blue and the yellow working together and how they'll mix together. So I'm just picking up some more of this lovely yellow. I think it's New Gamboge, I'm not sure. And just putting a little bit more down over there. That's better. Okay. Nice sharp complementary. Now I'm picking up some yellow. I have washed my brush in between each colour. This is transparent orange. A little bit dry on my palette, but it is picking up nicely. See how easy that one picks up. Some colours are better than other colours. And then wash it out. So this is how to load your brush. Prime it first, and then pick up your colour, and then lay it down. Now if you were using a synthetic brush, this is a synthetic sable blend, I think, quite a small brush. This is a size 10. This is my people brush that I use, one of my favourite brushes actually. And again, I'm priming it, making sure it's wet. It hasn't been used today. I did prime it earlier, but I'm doing it again. And then picking up all that lovely juicy colour, just twisting my brush around a little bit. Notice where I'm holding the brush, right at the tip where the ugly tape is. And then lay it down again and use your brush sideways. Picking up some more water. Quite a hot, humid day here today in Adelaide, where I'm working at the moment. There we go. And for argument's sake, a bit of a spritz, because you have to do that. Oh, I love that. There we go. Beautiful. So that's how to load your brush. Prime them first. Fresh juicy paint in your palette, and then lay the colour in. There we go. And then wash it out if you want to. Happy painting everyone. Bye.